Micro-control, the micro-insight moment. Immediately after a high-stakes interaction, capture one insight. Which moment in that conversation carried the most weight? That moment reveals where meaning shifted, where the relationship tightened or relaxed, what truly shaped the outcome. Reflection is not analysis. It is extraction. Case snapshot, the moment that changed a leader's rhythm. After facilitating a difficult multicultural meeting, a Hungarian manager paused before moving on. She asked herself one quiet question: which moment carried the most weight? She recognized a single turning point, where she had mistaken nervous silence for approval. That insight changed how she led every meeting afterward. Reflection does not consume time. It returns it. Why this is an advanced control. This control completes the MC3 system. Without it, even the strongest communication remains vulnerable after release. With it, clarity holds beyond the moment of interaction. It is advanced not because it is complex, but because it requires discipline at the exact moment when discipline is least tempting.